So today we will be going to have a walkthrough around how you can build an Olympics sports video clips classification with 12 labs. So let's have a look at the demo first. So here we can see the classes to select from to just get the best classified like top videos and retrieve it. So let's say I just select the aquatic sports and I'll just click on the classify videos. So it goes to the index where it has been stored, and yeah, like so fast you get the response also, right? Here is like my video ID, the class it classifies, the score it provides, and here you can see video 2. You can also run
The
the
final
video
swimming event of the
and video 3, 4 for the best like top 5 classified total, which is related to aquatics. There are like multiple we can select like gymnastic events also, and then hit, and it would also provide the gymnastics one as per that. So here are like the aquatic, then here from video 6 you can see gymnastic also. So as per that it classifies. Now if we just want to have a new custom, so I will just like write wrestling, let's say, and here to wrestling, like it's just like a first class name which is also gonna be considered, and also the prompt. So I will just write like wrestling competition, and add custom. I guess it's just nothing to do with this, so we'll just go for wrestling and classify videos. And here we got like the wrestling video, first and second related to that, because it was not there before in a kind of combat sport can be considered for that, but we get a very specific kind of classification. Yeah, so that was all the walkthrough around the application. If we just go to the code, so it's very simple to be kind of developed. First, we have just imported the necessary dependencies that we will be needing, the Streamlit applications. If you have not installed the Streamlit application, you can just go to the official docs of installation, and it's just like you can create a virtual environment and just put like pip install Streamlit and everything will be set up. And yeah, 12 labs SDK, then request OS normal stuff, and the .env. Here you can see this page element is just for the background setting of the application. Here you can see the classes that we have put on the main application, in which you can see the aquatic sports, and there are like various prompts in that, like swimming competition, diving event, water pool match, and a lot many stuff. Here you can see I have added st.cache data, because what I want is, if the custom classes is added by the user, it will be get stored here. Okay, so that's why here you can see to get custom classes and to add custom classes, here it has been added with this utility function. The main function which you can see here is to have like classify endpoint here, which takes on the index ID. Index ID is the location where all the sports Olympics video clips, or any kind of sports clips, or any other clips are being added to it, and it is present in the indexed form. And here are other parameters like selected classes. Let's say if I just select the aquatic sports, so here it will be aquatic sports. And yeah, so this is the main component here. The main utility function to classify like all the video which has been present in that specific index which you are providing. And here is to get the video URLs. So when when you get the response of this classify, you get video ID, you get various other parameters as in thumbnail URL, score, duration, ratio, like that. But to get the video URL, you need to have an endpoint of video information too, which is to be hit. So here, all the video ID which is being collected as a resultant is been hit to get the video URLs. And after that, the video URL is in like M3 U8 format. So that is needed to be render here. So this is the utility function to render the uh, video. And this is the main function just for the CSS or kind of layout of the application. Also the tab part you can see to select classes and add custom classes, and the contents of the tab, and actual the procedural way of instruction to be followed to build the application. Yeah, that's all about the application. If you are still trying to understand about how to create an index, so it's very simple. You can just directly go to the 12 Labs playground and you can just create an index here. You can see here two engines you can see, Marengo 2.6 and Pegasus 1.1. So here we will be needing only Marengo. As you can see, it's for power search and classify, and we are specifically focusing on classification. And also, what are the visual parameters or parameters that we'll be considering as per the video as visual, conversation, and text in videos. So by just clicking on this and putting an appropriate name, let's say Olympics Clips 2, and I will just hit on a create, it will create an index for me. Okay. And you can just directly upload video from here and get the index ID by just going to the URL, and this here you can get the index ID. So here you can see the Olympic clips which has been created for the application, and here are all the video clips you can see, and the engine here is Manego 2.6 visual, conversation, and text in video. Yeah, that was all about the tutorial. I hope you got to have a more idea about the classification task, and this you can use to build your own video search engine kind of for any to solve any type of an use case, maybe in a surveillance, maybe for a fun as a dance classifier. Okay, so yeah, that was all about. Thank you.